Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that I wish I would have known as a beginner sewer in regards to zipper tape. Okay, so let's talk about some advantages for zipper tapes. Number one, you can get yardage of zipper tape and keep it on hand, so you never have to run out to the store. You don't have to look for the exact size nor the color. Get all these supplies online. You can do the finished variety of colors, and you can also get all types of zipper heads to match your project. You can have your zippers contrasting with your fabric or matching your fabric. You can tailor the length of your zip to your project. It's much more cost effective to get zipper tape by the yard. So some of the things that you'll need are probably around your house. I raided this strong clasp from my husband's garage, and then I took a fork from the drawer and bent it. So here are your strength skills right there. And I'll get you in closer so you can see. And a lighter. Okay, so let's set up the zipper jig. I'm also going to show you how you can do it without the zipper jig, but it's easier when you have the zipper jig handy. And this is just a homemade zipper jig. You want to find an edge of a table that you can clasp onto, and you want to make sure that you are protecting your counter. This is an old table, so it doesn't matter, but if you're going to do this and you don't want to damage your table, just put something like a piece of cardboard or some extra fabric before you clasp. And then you're going to take a fork that you can also pick up at the secondhand shop or thrift store. You're going to put the fork in, okay? And I'm going to use a larger zip so you can see. But what you want to do is make sure that the rounded part is going up, because you're going to be feeding the zipper tape from the top. And you can do it either this way and then have the zipper tape feeding it in this way, or you could also put it on the other way facing backwards like so, and then you would just flip your zipper tape around. So I'm going to just show you. First thing you want to do is just singe the ends of your zipper tape. This makes it easier for it to be fed on. I'm going to open the zipper tape and you're going to feed it in. So I have the zipper pull facing that way, so I know the top has to be going that way. So the way you want to do it with a zipper jig is you want to make sure you're coming in at an angle, again like a V. And you want to make sure the teeth on one side are slightly advanced. They have to be offset in order for it to work. And then you just pull down. And there you go. The neat thing about this is you can also add a second zipper. So if you've ever seen like the suitcases that zip towards each other, you can do this by putting on another zipper head. This time the zipper pull is facing forward. So I want to make sure, so this is the right side. I want to make sure that I'm going in facing the other zipper so that the zippers are kind of kissing each other. And again, you're going in at an angle and you're pulling. So then when you're done, you have a zipper that has two zips that come together and close. Now, if you get a bump like this, all you have to do is just go back and reapply it so that you make sure that there's no bump. And you just keep trying until you get the zipper to not have a bump. But you can see here that that went on fairly straight. And so then you have a zipper that pulls open for your project. The first thing you want to do is grab your zipper tape and you want to singe the ends, because as you can see, if you have these little threads, it makes it really hard for you to get your zipper head on. The key here for this to work is that you open it up, and when you go to put it on the zipper head, you want to make sure that the rounded part is facing down like you're going onto the zipper. And you always want to place the zipper teeth in at an angle, because if not, it's hard to feed the zipper tape in. And so when you're coming at it from both angles, you're making like an upside down V for your zipper tape. The other part is that your zipper teeth have to be offset by one tooth in order for the zipper tape to go on smoothly. Now with practice, you can just push on the zipper tape, the zipper head on and pull it down. And also it depends on the kind of zipper that you have. Some of the heavier duty ones are easier, but as you see, I'm having trouble with pulling it on, but that's how you would pull it on.